How to get a blue tick on your Instagram account. So this is a way to make your account look more trusted and to have a verified badge next to your account name. Now all you need to do is go and load up the Instagram app, click on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side, and then click on the settings bar in the top right. Now once you're on the settings page, select Account Center. You can then click on Subscriptions and click on Meta Verified. Now wait a couple of seconds while it loads the different plans. Now in order to get the blue tick, you need to sign up to one of the Instagram subscriptions. So you may get a 1 month free trial like you see here. And as you can see, this will include the blue tick verified badge. So I'm just going to go and press unlock benefits. You can then select the Instagram accounts that you want to get the blue tick on. So for me, it's going to be continue on one profile. And then you can go and sign up for the free trial by clicking start free month. Now, once you've subscribed, you'll see this page that says review in progress. And as you can see, it will take up to 48 hours in order to review this information. Now, after 48 hours have passed, you can come back over to your Instagram profile. And if you refresh your page, you should now be able to see the blue verified tick. Now, sometimes you may be asked to upload proof of your identity, but most of the time you just need to wait the 48 hours and then the blue tick will be given to your account.